Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to showcase your app or website in a professional-looking mockup, today's video is for you. I'll show you how to easily insert your own screen into a mockup in Figma using the Craftwork Mockups plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a stunning, ready-to-share mockup that'll instantly boost the look of your next presentation, portfolio, or product shot. This is a quick and powerful way to level up your design game, so let's dive right in. First things first, before we even open up Figma, make sure you have the image you want to use all ready to go. This could be a screenshot of your app, a website landing page, whatever you're hoping to showcase. It really helps to have this file handy, either dragged to your desktop or saved in an easy-to-find folder so you're not scrambling midway through the process. Alright, with your image ready, let's get started inside Figma. To work with mockups, we'll be using a plugin. Think of plugins like little tools that extend Figma's capabilities and save you loads of time. The one we want today is called the Mockup plugin by Craftwork. If you've never added a plugin before, don't worry, it's super simple. All you need to do is right-click anywhere on your Figma canvas. That brings up a menu. Look for the Plugins option, then click on Manage Plugins. This will open Figma's library of available plugins. Now in the search bar at the top, just type in Mockup plugin. Make sure you choose the one made by Craftwork since that's what we'll use throughout this tutorial. Once you've found it, click Install. This process only takes a few moments, so hang tight. Adding the plugin means you can access a vast library of professionally designed device mockups right inside your Figma workspace. No need to download or import bulky PSD files anymore. When that's done, go back to your plugins list. Again, just right-click, go to Plugins, and you should see Mockup by Craftwork pop up in your menu. Click it to launch the plugin. You'll see a fresh interface open up, featuring a bunch of different device and scene mockups, everything from smartphones to laptops and more. Take a moment here to scroll through and pick the mockup that matches your vision. For example, if you want your design on the latest iPhone, choose that template. Don't worry, you can always change your mind if it doesn't look quite right. There's no penalty for experimentation. Once you've chosen the mockup you like, simply click on it. You'll notice a plus button or an Add Image spot on the template. This is where the magic happens. Click the plus button, a file dialog will open. Now look for that image we talked about earlier, your app screen or website. Select it and hit open. In most cases, the plugin will prompt you to crop your image. This step is important. The cropping tool lets you adjust and align your image so it fits perfectly into the screen area of the mockup, just like placing a photo inside a picture frame. You want to make sure your screen content fills the space nicely, so take a moment to position everything just right. When you're happy with the placement, click Crop. The plugin will work its magic, and once it's ready, just click Paste. And there you go. Your customized mockup with your image beautifully inserted will appear right on your Figma canvas. Sometimes this process takes a few seconds, especially if your image is large, so don't panic if there's a short delay. And that's all there is to it. You now have a professional-grade mockup you can use for presentations, portfolios, or social media. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or get stuck on a step, leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.